Hello India, this is Shubhasri Guhade reporting from Charlotte, North Carolina, United States. I had been here in and around from last 6 months, and during this time I could see some incidents in this country which I would like to share my point of view on the same. As you all know, this year began with the pandemic COVID-19 which impacted the whole world. But the country which had major casualties was the first world nation, America. Does this say something about the medical facilities in USA? Does it say about how Trump government has been ineffective in the measures taken to control the pandemic? And when all of this was happening, people of USA saw the heartbreaking death of George Floyd, a black American. It is surprising to see, as an outsider who has always known this country as a superpower and talked about American dream, that a nation like this is unable to provide a very basic fundamental right to its citizen. And this was not a single incident. As history shows, has been so repetitive that even COVID couldn't resist Americans to come out and protest against it. Now, lastly, amidst pandemic and recession, Americans have a bigger problem is unemployment. During this lockdown period of pandemic, millions of people has become jobless, which is very alarming and cause of depression for many Americans. Now, this is a big challenge to the federal government. And I would like to end my reporting by posing the question to the audience: will Americans be able to sustain the basic livelihood again?